Welcome to Wagoneer. I'm Jim Morrison, head of the Jeep brand for North America, which now includes the premium extension of Jeep, Wagoneer. I'd like to congratulate you on selecting a premium SUV that will redefine the way you think about the driving experience. You are now part of a select group that fully appreciates the finest automotive design and engineering that America has to offer. And with an exceptional vehicle comes exceptional benefits. A Wagoneer team of ambassadors have over 90 hours of dedicated training, and they're ready to take care of your every need. From navigating the next generation Uconnect 5 system or the over 120 safety and security features that are offered, you will receive a level of service that will never disappoint. And because we are committed to offering first-class service every step of the way, you will also have access to 24/7, around-the-clock Wagoneer client services. This will include roadside assistance for that extra safety and peace of mind while you travel. Unlock a level of connectivity and convenience you never thought possible with a range of options to stay connected to your dedicated Wagoneer service team. On behalf of the entire Wagoneer family, I'd like to thank you once again for choosing America's premium SUV and wish you the best on your many grand adventures to come.